been working on launching some brand new items, which is going to be caps. I'm very excited but very nervous. Over there we do have the new caps. I can't wait. So we've got a sage, an olive and a black, all in a vintage wash. Guys, look what's arrived. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. Please. Ad's got an order. No, don't cry, don't cry. It's okay, don't cry. That is amazing. Oh god, I've just refreshed it and there's another order on there. That is the launch done. So very happy and grateful that I got orders. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan and I'm the owner of a small business called Fauna. I mostly make and sell scrunchies and macrame, but I do a range of different accessories. I vlog the whole process and pop it on YouTube for you all to see. And if you would have caught last week's video, I launched my first merch item, which I was so excited but also so terrified and nervous about. I launched my chaotic mess caps, which I was really proud of. I absolutely loved them. It was something a little bit different for me, and in all honesty I was expecting no sales whatsoever, just with them being on the higher price point when it comes to my business and stuff. With it being the school holidays, with everyone being skint right now, I just didn't expect people to be that interested in buying them at this current moment in time. However, you guys showed up and I am still not over it. We had an incredible launch weekend. So guys, thank you so much if any of you shopped those. For those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about, this is what I launched. They're my vintage style caps. There's 3 different colours. We've got the vintage black, vintage sage and vintage olive. I do have a couple hanging up behind me. They're the prototypes, and they have my chaotic mess logo on the front as well as my branding logo on the back, which is Fauna, and I absolutely love them, and apparently so do you guys. So thank you so much for all the love and support on them. So in this video I'm going to be packaging up the orders from that launch weekend, which I cannot wait to show you. So let's get straight into it. So I'm going to show you 2 orders at a time and then I'm going to package those 2 up. So the first order that we got was from the wonderful Catherine. So thank you so much for being the first person to grab one of the caps. You actually picked it up really quickly as well, not long after they went live. So Catherine, thank you so much. And then it was very quickly followed by Angela. So Angela, again, thank you so much for all your continued support. So with Catherine being the first order from the month of August, on my sales tracker she landed on a freebie, which basically means I'm going to pop some freebies in with your order. So Catherine, I hope you like them. She was the first person to pick up the olive cap. So for her freebie I decided to throw in one of the green friendship bracelets that I made just to sort of match the cap, as well as a no waste fabric bookmark. So hopefully you like your goodies, Catherine. And then second of all, Angela also grabbed one of the olive caps. So thank you so much, lovely. Let's get both of those orders packaged up. So the next two orders we got were from Precious and Georgia. So guys, thank you so much. I feel like I'm going to be a bit of a broken record in this video thanking you all, but I just have to. I'm so excited and so grateful that you all showed up. I loved the order that Precious placed. It was an all black order, which is definitely my vibe. She was the first person to grab the black cap, and to match that she also got a black swim scrunchie and one of the black macrame Scooby keychains. So Precious, thank you so much, lovely. And then Georgia picked up a bunch of XL scrunchies, which is so exciting because I've said this quite a lot recently, but I love when the XL sell because they are just one of my favorite things. I love making the XL scrunchies. Georgia picked up the Daphne, the Faith, the Brooke and the Amber, and then she did also grab one of the It's Fine motel keychains. So thank you so much, guys. Let's package your orders up next. So next we have Ashley and Nicole. Guys, thank you so much. Both of you did pick up a black cap, which was really, really exciting. So let me first start with Ashley's order. She placed a monstrous order, so thank you so much, lovely, and thank you so much for being a wonderful family member as well. If you guys are interested in supporting me further, I do have my Fauna Rose family memberships, which is kind of similar to Patreon, but it's just on a different platform. It's on my Buy Me a Coffee page, where you can subscribe for as little as £1 a month and you can join the Fauna Rose family and you just get extra content behind the scenes. You can see different posts and stuff, so all of that is linked down below, so feel free to head on over there. But Ashley is one of my family members, so thank you so much, lovely. Like I said, she did pick up a black cap and she also picked up a bunch of scrunchies. So she chose a load of XL scrunchies and a bunch of mini ones too. These are for her and her daughter, which I think is so cute and exciting. And she did also pick up 3 mystery scrunchies. So Ashley, thank you so much, lovely. And then next we have Nicola, who is also one of my wonderful family members, so thank you so much, lovely. She also landed on a freebie. So again, I added in a no waste fabric bookmark as well as one of the friendship bracelets. So I also hope you like your goodies, Nicola. Thank you so much, you guys. Let's get your orders packaged. The next two orders, we've got Karina and Stephen. Stephen is a wonderful friend of mine and Alex's, and I know that he watches the channel. So Steve, thank you so much, you absolute legend. He picked up one of the black caps as well as a macrame wristlet, so thank you so much, lovely. And then Karina also got a black cap as well. So far the black ones are proving to be pretty popular, which is just really exciting to see them actually sell, so I am thrilled. But Karina also got a sage macrame Scooby keychain as well as a jar opener, one of the no waste items. So guys, thank you so much. Yes, we are still going. We've still got quite a few more orders to package, which I am so mind blown about. I'm so overwhelmed. Honestly, I was so shocked every time I got an email through to say I had another order. It was just kind of unbelievable. I'd just open it and just show Alex and be like, another one is sold. Still unreal. I will never get used to the feeling of people placing orders and supporting my shop. So yeah, thanks guys. But the next 2 orders are from the lovely Joanne and Chloe, so guys, thank you so much. Joanne picked up a bunch of scrunchies, so she got 4 mini scrunchies, the Rory, the Maple, the Sapphire and the Joyce, and she also grabbed 2 mystery scrunchies, so thank you so much, my love. And then Chloe picked up an olive cap, so that is another one of the olive ones gone, which is so excited. So let's package your orders. So next we've got the lovely Lindsay and Amy. Guys, thank you so much. So Lindsay picked up a black and olive swim scrunchie, also a mystery bag, and because she landed on a freebie, she got a bookmark and a bracelet as well. And then my lovely friend Amy is who I've named the Amy scrunchie after. She also picked up a black cap, and I just had to throw in a bracelet and a bookmark for her as well. So guys, thank you so much. So the next 2 orders, really exciting and really easy to talk through because both of these people got a Sage cap. So the first Sage caps to go were to the lovely Dawn and Dean. So guys, thank you so much for your orders. This makes me so happy. I was thrilled that one of each of the colours had at least gone, and hopefully you guys like them as much as I do. So the final order from the launch was from my lovely friend Elise. Thank you so much, lovely. She got a black cap as well, which I was very, very excited about. And then as I was packaging up these orders, I got another order from the lovely Helen. So guys, thank you so much. Helen also got a black cap, so let's get these packaged up. So that was all of the orders from the launch weekend, and then the next day the lovely JJ from JJ Crochets placed an order and picked up one of the final black caps. I think I only had like one left after this, which was absolutely wild. So JJ, thank you so much, my love. Let's package up JJ's order. And that is it. I am honestly so blown away, guys. I cannot believe we pretty much sold out of one of the colours of the caps. So the black caps did eventually sell out over the next few days after the launch, which I can't thank you all enough. I have just had some more arrive, so hopefully when this video goes live they will be back on the website. So if you wanted to shop the black, the sage or the olive, fingers crossed they are all on the website, which I will leave linked down below, so feel free to go and check them out. Maybe treat yourself to one, which would be amazing. But I'm going to leave this video here. Guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for showing up and watching these videos, for allowing me to be able to create merch and something a little bit different for my shop and stuff. And yeah, I literally can't thank you all enough, so thank you so much. But I'm going to ask for even more support. If you could give this video a massive thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know let me know what your favourite accessory is. I think I would have to say my favourite accessory would be jewellery. I absolutely love silver jewellery. I tend to have certain staple pieces, like my necklace that I never take off. I've got a welded bracelet that you probably can't see because it's blended in with my tattoo. When we go out, I love to wear my big chunky silver ring. So I'd probably say my favourite accessory, apart from my caps of course, and a scrunchie, is probably jewellery. So let me know what yours is, because I'm nosy and I want to know. And finally, if you haven't, please subscribe. I knew I could not get through a single bit of talking without messing something up. Please consider hitting that big red subscribe button. It really does help my channel out. I don't think I've mentioned this yet, but we passed 7,000 subscribers, which is wild. So guys, thank you so much for everything. Check out all the links down below. Go treat yourself to a cap, join the family memberships if you wanted to, have a nosy on the website, follow the social media if you haven't, all that fun stuff. And I'm gonna stop asking you for favors now, but I love you all. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.